Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create soft portrait glow using color dodge in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and bring my portrait onto the canvas, taking a moment to center it properly, because composition sets the mood. I duplicate the image layer so I can work safely without damaging the original photo. Then I change the blend mode of the duplicated layer to color dodge, and instantly the image becomes bright and intense. I slow down here and reduce the opacity carefully, watching the glow soften instead of overpowering the face. Next, I add a layer mask to control where the light appears. Using a soft round brush at low opacity, I gently paint on the mask to reveal glow only